Imagine having a personal Wall Street expert right at your fingertips, ready to make profitable decisions based on complex market trends 24/7. Yes, we're talking about AI investing software that's reshaping the stock trading landscape. In this video, we're going to introduce you to 9 powerful AI programs that are taking trading to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, prepare to be amazed by these AI-powered titans. Our journey begins with Tickeron, a groundbreaking trading platform developed by SAS Global. Tickeron ingeniously combines artificial and human intelligence to provide top-notch advisory services. It's tailored for traders and investors of all levels, offering AI-driven forecasts, investment models, and valuable tools. Tickeron's star feature? AI-powered robots armed with over 100 algorithms, generating efficient strategies for various assets. Plus, their pattern search engine enhances market analysis by predicting patterns on asset charts. And here's the best part. It supports Forex, stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies, making it a one-stop solution for diverse investment needs. Subscription starts at a modest $60. Next up, we have Black Box Stocks, an AI investing software known for its intuitive design and real-time alerts. Imagine having a scanner that identifies prime opportunities in real time. With unique algorithms scanning over 8,000 stocks and 90,000 options, Black Box Stocks presents you with personalized stock selections, and you can even automate your buying process. From pre-market alerts to real-time quotes, this platform has traders covered. The annual all-inclusive membership is a steal at $950 compared to the monthly charge of $99.97. Moving on to Stock Hero, a flexible stock trading platform that offers a simulated paper exchange for risk-free testing. It's user-friendly, perfect for both beginners and experts. With a claimed 90% win rate, this platform utilizes candlestick data and even offers a bots marketplace where beginners can leverage successful trading bots. Plans start at $4.99 a month, making it affordable for traders of all levels. Crypto enthusiasts, pay attention to Stoic. This AI investing software specializes in automated crypto trading. It's perfect for all users, from beginners to seasoned traders. Stoic's standout features include automated portfolio management with daily rebalancing and continuous market tracking. While management fees apply, the convenience and potential returns are worth considering. Plans start at 9 months. Technical traders, listen up. TrendSpider is your go-to AI tool for quick market trend identification. While it might seem complex at first, its versatile features make it a favorite among day traders and more. With real-time alerts and unique raindrop charts, this platform is a trend-spotting powerhouse. Trade Ideas, developed by fintech experts, is a savvy AI stock trading software that offers customizable trading solutions. Beginners can simulate training, intermediate traders have access to pre-built AI tools, and experts can tailor their strategies. With a customizable interface, risk and reward analysis, and the unique Holly AI feature, this platform is a must-try. VectorVest, with over 3 decades of experience, provides comprehensive market analysis. From individual stock analysis to global coverage, this platform is ideal for gaining an edge in the market. With various pricing packages and add-ons, VectorVest caters to traders at different levels. Scans caters to active traders, offering real-time news alerts and detailed scanning options. While it may have a higher monthly fee, its trading tools, news streaming service, and advanced features make it a valuable resource for seasoned traders. Wrapping up our list is Algoriz, an AI-driven trading platform that simplifies strategy creation. With its user-friendly interface and versatility in supporting various cryptocurrencies, it's perfect for non-programmers looking to engage in crypto trading. And there you have it, 9 powerful AI investing software programs that are reshaping the way we trade stocks. The financial world has never been more accessible, and these AI titans are at the forefront of this transformative shift. From real-time alerts to technical analysis and automated trading solutions, the possibilities are truly astounding. As we wrap up, it's important to emphasize that while AI investing software can provide invaluable insights and tools, it's not a guaranteed path to success. The stock market is complex, influenced by a multitude of factors, and past performance is not always indicative of future results. It's essential to approach these AI tools with a well-informed and balanced perspective. If you're considering integrating AI investing software into your trading strategy, take the time to research and understand the platforms thoroughly. Consider your trading goals, risk tolerance, and the specific features that align with your needs. Additionally, keep in mind that technology is a powerful ally, but the human element, your expertise, judgment, and decision-making, remains an integral part of successful trading. Remember, trading is a journey, and like any journey, it requires continuous learning and adaptation. Stay curious, stay informed, and always be ready to evolve your strategies based on market dynamics. Thank you for joining us today on this exploration of AI investing software. We hope this information empowers you to make informed decisions and embark on your trading journey with confidence. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. As we continue to navigate the ever-evolving landscape of finance and technology, remember that the tools at our disposal are only as effective as the knowledge we bring to the table. With AI investing software by your side, you're equipped with a powerful ally to enhance your trading experience, but your expertise remains the driving force behind your success. Here's to profitable trades, informed decisions, and a future where the fusion of human intelligence and AI technology propels us towards new heights in the world of trading. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.